issued at par, redeemable at par means taken at par, repaid at par. Entry: in order to pay the redemption of preference share, there are 2 points to be bear in mind. First, have we issued the share final call account data to share capital account. So final call has been utilized for sake of bonus. Bank account data, what's your face value? 100, 10% premium is 110. Entry: so we received how much? 6 lakh, but 5 lakh is the face value. So actually you have to pay. Hello my dear student, I am Dr. B.S. Subramaniam, called by name Dr. B.S.S., Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidyashram First Aid College, a Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. I am going to handle Financial Account 3, Session 2. Here under this Session 2, we are going to solve the problem 10 marks question. Actually, you have to answer any 3. We will ask about the 5 questions. You have to answer any 3, each carrying the 10 marks. Which are the 3 questions we are going to ask? One is called bonus share. Number 2, redemption of debenture. Third is called redemption of preference share. Another 2 theory questions is there. So we are following the question paper. The students, please go through the question. Whatever we are going to solve here, all the problems have been taken from the question paper. We are going to solve. Please take the interest, bring the good name to institution, to your parents also. Okay, we'll start now. So, redemption of debenture. He says the conditions are when the debenture is nothing but a secure loan. So, they will ask 5 points, each point costs 2 marks each. How it is? Issued at par, redeemable at par means taken at par, repaid at par. Entry: bank account data to debenture account data to bank account. What's the entry? Bank account data to debenture account data to bank account. 2 marks for this. When it is debentures are issued at a discount, repayable at par, bank account data, discount on debenture account data to debenture account, paid at par, debenture account data to bank account. By chance, issued at a premium, paid at par, bank account data to debenture account, to debenture premium, paid at par, debenture account data to bank account. We'll go slowly now. See that 5,000, 6% debenture of rupees 100 each, issued at par, redeemable at par, taken at par, redeemable at par, taken at the face value, redeemable as of face value. That is 5,000 into 100 is 5 lakh. When you receive the money, what's the entry? Bank account data to 6% debenture account data 5 lakh. Pay back the debenture, 6% debenture account data to bank account. What's the entry? Bank account data 5,000 into 100, 5 lakh. Bank account data 5 lakh to 6% debenture account data 5 lakh. Will pay back the debenture, 6% debenture account data to bank account. Then 6,000, 7% debenture of 100 issued at 10% premium and redeemable at par. Here 6,000, 7% is there. So premium means 100 each at a discount of 10%, 110 rupees, 6,000 into 110. To debenture, what's the entry? Bank account data, to debenture account, to debenture premium, paid at par, debenture account data to bank account. We'll go to first entry now. We'll go to first entry. 5,000, 6% debenture of 100 is issued at par, redeemable at par. Entry: bank account data 5,000 into 100, 5 lakh to 6% debenture 5 lakh issued at par. Entry: we receive entry bank account data to 6% debenture account paid at par, debenture account data 6% debenture account data to bank account 5 lakh received at par, paid at par. Entry: bank account data to debenture account data to bank account. So this first entry, each entry got 2 marks. What's the entry now? Bank account data to 6% debenture account, 6% debenture account data. When you say bank credit side is going out, when you say bank debit, it is coming in. What's the entry? Bank account data, so 6% debenture account, 6% debenture account data to pay. taken at par, redeemable at par. So first entry over, you got the 2 marks. Second entry, see that 6,000, 7% debenture of 100E, issued at 10% premium, redeemable at par. Issued at premium, redeemable at par. Here say, bank account data. What's your face value? 100. 10% premium is 110. Entry. Bank account data 6,000 110. 6,60,000. 7% debenture. 6,000 into 100 is 6 lakh. 6 lakh. 6 lakh. 2 debenture premium 60,000. What's the entry? Bank account data 6,60,000. 7% debenture 6 lakh. 2 debenture premium 60,000. Issued at a premium. But paid at par. Paid at par. Cash is going out at par. 7% debenture account data. 7% debenture account data 6 lakh. 2 bank account 6 lakh. What is the first entry? Taken at par, redeemable at par. Taken at par, redeemable at par. Entry, bank account data to debenture account data to bank account. That is taken at par, redeemable at par is there. First entry, when we receive the entry, bank account data to debenture account data to bank account. Issued at premium, but paid at par. Entry, bank account data to debenture account premium, paid at par, debenture account data to bank account. What's your face value? 100 at a premium of 10% means 110. Bank account data 6,000 into 110, 6,60,000, 7% debenture. This is the thing, but 6,000 into 100. This is 6 lakh. 2 debenture premium 6,000 into 10. 60,000. What's the entry? Bank account data, 2 debenture account, 2 debenture premium, paid at par, 7% debenture account data to bank account. 2 marks for this. So we'll go to third entry now. This over. 7,000, 8% debenture of rupees 100 each, issued at 10% discount, redeemable at par. What's your face value? 100. 10% means 10 rupees gone. It is issued at rupees 90, but paid at par. Entry goes here at a discount. Bank account data 7,000 into 90, 6,30,000. Discount on debenture account 7,000 into 10, 70,000 to 9% debenture account 7 lakh. What's the entry? Bank account data, discount on debenture account data, to debenture account, paid at par, 9% debenture account data, to bank account 7 lakh. So what's the discount entry? Bank account data, discount account data, to debenture account, paid at par, debenture account data to bank account. So bank account data 6,30,000, discount on debenture account data 70,000, to debenture 7 lakh, paid at par, debenture account data to bank account. This is another 2 marks. Now we'll go to next one, fourth one. Here, come back. 8,000, 9% debenture of rupees 100 each, issued at 5% discount, redeemable at 10% premium. 8,000, 9% debenture of 100 each, issued at 5% discount. So 8,000 into 100 here now. 8,000, you got 8,000 into 100, 8 lakh. At a discount, he says, at a discount of 5% of 8 lakh is 40,000. You are receiving how much? 7,60,000. But payable at 10% premium means you are paying 8,80,000. I will explain this. Slowly I will explain. Here, see that. Bank, this is over. Bank account data, you are receiving only how much discount is there, see that. at a discount of 5%. So 8,000 into 100 is 8 lakh. On that, here, 5% means 5 rupees gone. So 8,000 into 95, you got 7 lakh 60,000. So loss on issue of debenture, leave it up. 29% debenture, how much? 8 lakh. To debenture premium 80,000. You receiving how much? 7 lakh 60,000. How much you are paying? 8 lakh 80,000 you are paying. But how much you are receiving? 7 lakh 60,000 you are receiving. There is a difference of 1 lakh 20,000 is a loss, no? Bank account data, you got only 95%, 5 rupees gone. You got only 95. Bank account data, 8,000 into 95. 7 lakh 60,000 you are going to receive. How much you are going to pay? 8 lakh 80,000. Receiving 7 lakh 60,000. Paying at a premium of 10% means you are paying 8 lakh 80. Both side loss, no? Discount is also a loss. Premium is also loss. Actually, you have to receive here 8 lakh. How much you are receiving? 7 lakh 60,000. So there is a 40,000 is there. You are paying 80,000 means how much you are paying more? 1 lakh 20,000 more, which is a loss to you. Discount of 40, premium of 80, totally how much? 1 lakh 20,000 you are a sufferer of loss. So bank account data 7 lakh 60,000, loss on issue of debenture account 1 lakh 20,000, to debenture account 8 lakh, to debenture premium 80,000. You paid at a premium now, 9% debenture account data 8 lakh, debenture premium account data 80,000, to bank account 8 lakh 80,000. So taken at a discount, redeemable at par. Both sides you are lost. Receiving less money, paying more. I will give an example. If the face value is 100, you are receiving 95 at a, but paying at rupees 105 no. Assume that how much loss we suffered? 95, 5 here, 105. 10 rupees is loss, no? Then entry, bank account data are 95, profit and loss account data are 10, to debenture 100, to debenture premium 5. What's the entry? Bank account data are 95, loss on issue of debenture account data are 15, to debenture 100, to debenture premium 105. Same thing. You are the loser of this is 120 is nothing but 40,000 plus 80,000. What is 40,000 discount? 80,000 premium. Total loss is how much? 1 lakh 20,000. You got how much money? Only 7 lakh 60,000. Bank account data 7 lakh 60,000. Loss on issue of debenture account 1 lakh 20,000. To debenture account 8 lakh. To debenture premium 80,000. You paid at a premium. Debenture account data, debenture premium account data to bank account. Now we'll go to last entry. This is over. Come back here. Here 9,000. Here 9,000. 10% debenture of 100 is issued at par but redeemable at premium. So 9,100 is 9 lakh. But paying at a premium of 9 lakh 90,000 you are paying. How much paying more? That is 90,000. Entry goes like this. See that? Bank account data, you are receiving 9 lakh. But how much you are paying? 9 lakh 90,000. You are receiving 9 lakh only. But you are paying at a premium of 10%. How much you are paying? 9 lakh 90,000 paying. How much loss you suffer? 90,000. Entry. Bank account data 9 lakh. Loss on issue of debenture account data 90,000. To debenture 9 lakh. To debenture premium 90,000. I think understand. You taken at rupees 9 lakh, repayable at rupees 9 lakh 90,000. How much loss you suffered? 90,000. Entry. Bank account data 9 lakh. Loss on issue of debenture account data 90,000. To debenture 9 lakh. To debenture premium 90,000. Now you are going to pay the premium. Face value. 9% debenture account data 9 lakh. Debenture premium account data 90,000. Debenture premium account data 90,000. To bank account 9 lakh 90,000. Paid at a premium. Taken at par. Paid at a premium. You are the sufferer of 90,000. You suffered like this. Here also 2 marks for this. So totally you got 10 marks. Then we'll move on to next problem now. So see that. Vikrant Company Limited issued 2 fully paid bonus share for every 5 shares held. The balance sheet as on 1/4/19 is given. Share capital 10,000 equity share of 100 each, 75 paid, balance 25 to be paid. They have got a general reserve, they have got a capital redemption reserve. They are saying past necessary general entry in the books of it. It is nothing but a bonus share. So what the bonus share? No, any dividend which has been paid in the form of share is called bonus share is there. So here the what's called partly paid share will be made fully paid share with the help of the final call. See that 10,000 equity share of 100 each, 75 paid. What's the balance to be paid? 25. So 10,000 25 is 2,50,000, which has been declared as a bonus. The bonus should be declared either the general reserve or profit and loss account is allowed. If you see the board, there is no profit and loss account. It has been declared with the general reserve. What's the entry? General reserve account data 10,000 to 25, 2,50,000 to bonus to shareholder account 2,50,000. Partly paid share will be made fully paid share. What's the entry? Partly paid share will be made fully paid share. 10,000 equity share of rupees 100 each. How much paid up? 75 paid up. What's the balance is 25. 10,000 into 25 is 2,50,000 is a partly paid up which has been declared as a bonus. So it should be declared the bonus either from the general reserve or profit and loss account. There is no profit and loss account which has been declared from the general reserve is concerned. What is the entry? General reserve account data 10,000 into 25, 2,50,000 to bonus to shareholder account 2,50,000. If the general reserve is not there, it can be declared out of the profit and loss account. Entry, profit and loss account data to bonus to shareholder account. What is the first entry? General reserve account data 10,000 into 25, 2,50,000 to bonus to shareholder account 2,50,000. Then next entry goes share final call account data 10,000 25, 2,50,000 to share capital account 2,50,000. The final call has been utilized for the bonus share entry, bonus to shareholder account data to share final call account. So which are the 3 entries are? First entry, partly paid share made fully paid share with the help of the general reserve. What's the entry? General reserve account data to bonus to shareholder account. What's the entry? General reserve account data to bonus to shareholder account. Make the final call. Share final call account data to share capital account. So final call has been utilized for the sake of bonus. Bonus to shareholder account data to share final call account. I will repeat the entry. General reserve account data to bonus to shareholder account. Make the final call. Share final call account data to share capital account. Final call has been given to bonus to shareholder account. Actually, common entry bank account data to share final call. Instead of bank boundary rate, bonus to shareholder account data to share final call account. Now, once you do this, now he says further bonus have been issued for every company give 2 shares for every 5 share held. That means if you have got a 5 share, company gives how many share? 2 shares. For every 5 share, company gives how many share? 2 share. How many shares you have got? 10,000 shares. This is 2 divided by 5 into 10,000. At what rate? At rupees 100. 5 2s are. This is 4,000 into 100. Further bonus is 4 lakh. Further bonus declare how much? For every 5 share, new company gives the 2 share, we got 10,000 share. How many shares you are going to give? 4,000 share. What's your face value if the share is 100? So 4,000 in 100 is 4 lakh. So that can be paid further with the help of general reserve, capital redemption security premium. This is already utilized. What is left over? CRR is left over. Security premium required. How much you require? 4 lakh. The entry is CRR account data, security 2 lakh, security premium account data 2 lakh, to bonus to shareholder account 4 lakh. How much you require? 4 lakh. Entry CRR account data 2 lakh, Security premium account data 2 lakh to bonus to shareholder account 4 lakh. Last entry, bonus to shareholder account data 4 lakh to share capital, nothing but equity share capital account 4 lakh, 10 mass. 5 entry, 10 mass. What are the entries are? Bonus to shareholders account data are 10,000 into 25, 2 lakh 50. First entry, general reserve account data are 10,000 25, 2 lakh 50,000 to bonus to shareholder account. Make the final call, share final call account data to share capital account 2 lakh 50,000. Utilize the final call as a bonus, bonus to shareholder account data to share final call account. Further bonus declared. For every 5 share, 2 shares have been given. For 10,000 share, 4,000 at what rate? 100 rupees. Further bonus can be declared with the help of CRR and security premium. What's the entry? CRR account data 2 lakh. Security premium account data 2 lakh. To bonus to shareholder account 4 lakh. That can be paid in the form of equity share capital, bonus to shareholder account data to equity share capital account or to share capital account. So entry goes like this. We should see the entries now. First entry, declared from the general reserve account data 10,000 into 25, 2,50,000 to bonus to shareholders account 2,50,000 means bonus have been declared out of general reserve. Then make the final call, equity share final call account data to share capital account 2,50,000. Give the final call as a bonus, bonus to shareholder account data to share final call account 2,50,000. Each entry 2 marks. Entry, general reserve account data to bonus to shareholder account, share final call account data to share capital account, then bonus to shareholder account data to share final call account. 3 entries are over now. For every 5 share, company gives the 2 share, you got 10,000 share. How many shares we are going to issue? 4,000 share at the rate of 100, it becomes 4 lakh. Entry, CRR account data 2 lakh, share premium account data 2 lakh, to bonus to shareholder account 4 lakh declared, which has been paid. Next entry, here now, bonus to shareholders account data, bonus to shareholders account data, this is 4 lakh to equity share capital account. $4 lakh. What's the entry? Bonus to shareholders account data 4 lakh to equity share capital account 4 lakh. Being the bonus have been paid in the form of equity share. We'll go with the entry now. What's the first entry? General reserve account data to bonus to shareholder account means bonus have been declared out of the general reserve. How many is? 10,000 share of 100 each, 25, 75 paid up. What's the balance? 25. 10,000, 25 is 2,50,000. What's the entry? General reserve account data to bonus to shareholder account. Then make the final call, equity share final call account data to equity share capital account. Give the final call as a bonus, bonus to shareholder account data to share final call account. Then for every 5 share, company gives the 2 share. You got how many share? 10,000 share. 2 divided 5 of 10,000 is 4,000 share. 4,000 into 100 is 4 lakh. That can be declared with the help of CRR and security premium. CRR account data 2 lakh. Security premium account data 2 lakh to bonus to shareholder account 4 lakh, which has been paid in the form of equity share. Last entry, bonus to shareholders account data to equity share capital account. You'll get 10 mass E. So redemption of debenture 10 mass, bonus share 10 mass. The last one is redemption of preference share. See that Rishi Limited had to redeem 10,000 10% redeemable preference share of rupees 100 each. What's the face value? 10,000. What's the face value? 100 at a premium of 10%. Here 5% on 31. The company made the following issue. 5,000 equity share 100 each at rupees 120 per share. Then 10% debenture of rupees 5 lakh at a discount of 5%. Issue were successful, all the cash against them. And there is sufficient balance of rupees 10 lakh in the profit and loss account. The law says no. In order to pay the redemption of preference share, there are 2 points to be bear in mind. Where first, have we issued the share? If we issue the share for the balance, you have to create the CRR. CRR can be created with the help of general reserve and profit and loss account. First, if we create the CRR with the help of general reserve and profit and loss account, for the balance, we have to issue the share. That's a law. First, issue the share, create the CRR, or create the CRR for the balance issue of the share. These 2 points bear in mind. There are 2 sources of fund. The funds are general reserve and profit and loss account. What's the bear in mind in redemption of preference share? First point, no. In order to pay the face value of the preference share capital, first we have to, whether we have issued the share. For if we issue the share for the balance, you have to create the CRR. If we create the CRR for the balance, we have to issue the share. Is a law. If we go through, no, we got how much? 10,000, 10% redeemable preference share of 100 each at a premium of 5%. The problem says here, you have got a premium. Here, see that. For that, so here 10,000 into 100. Actually, you have to pay, see that. So redeem 10,000, you got 10,000 preference at a premium. 10,000 into 100. This is 10,000 into 100. This is 10 lakh now. 10 lakh at a premium of, you say, how much premium is 5%? 5% is 50,000. What is the total amount payable? 10 lakh 50,000 is payable. Premium should be paid out of the equity share premium. If you see that how many shares were issued, 5,000 equity shares were issued at the rate of 120. See the problem. First, bank account debtor 5,000 here, no. Bank account debtor, this is 5,000 into 120. You got 6 lakh here, no. 6 lakh rupees. 2 equity share capital 5,000 into 100 is face value is 5 lakh. To share premium 1 lakh rupees. So we received how much? 6 lakh. But 5 lakh is the face value. So actually you have to pay 10,000 into 100 is 10 lakh we have required. How much you already got? 5 lakh. So premium to premium we say. Premium to premium they say. See that? Here 10% debenture 5% just an entry. You have to pay the premium of how much? 50,000. How much premium you receive? 1 lakh. Premium to premium is in. This is entry for discount on debenture, bank account debtor, discount account debtor to 10%. It is no way connected to redemption of debenture. Then you have to pay the 50%, that is on 10 lakh. 5% is 50,000. Security premium account debtor to redeemable preference share premium. So premium is clear now. What's your face value? 5 lakh. How much shortage is? Another 5 lakh. You have to create the CRR with the help of profit and sufficient. See that? How much in the profit and loss account? 10,000. We can take how much money? 5 lakh. Create the CRR. Profit and loss account data to CRR account 5 lakh. So you got 5 lakh from the equity share. 5 lakh from the profit and loss account. Premium to premium is clear. So we got 10 lakh. Now redeemable preference share capital account data 10 lakh. Redeemable preference share premium account data 50,000 to redeemable preference shareholder account 10 lakh. 50,000 is payable. Pay them now. Redeemable preference shareholder account data 10 lakh 50,000 to bank account 10 lakh 50,000. Clear up 10 marks. I will repeat this. See that this is the last year question paper. You got how many share? 10,000 share at a premium of 10 each. So you are a face value. 10,000 in 100 is 10 lakh. This is your capital. Your 50,000 is the premium. Premium to premium. What's your face value? 10 lakh. How much premium is payable? 50,000. If you see your question, no? Here 5,000 shares were issued at a premium. 1 lakh premium you have received. How much premium is payable? 50. From the equity share premium, pay the preference share premium account. So what is mean? Say equity share premium account data to preference share premium account 50,000 is over. How much balance we require? 10 lakh. First, we have to see that whether the shares are issued or CRR is created. If the shares are not issued, CRR should be created. If the CRR is created, for the balance, we have to issue the share. If we see that how many shares were issued, 5,000 equity share, 100 each, at rupees 120 per share. Bank account data 6 lakh, to equity share 5 lakh, equity share 1 lakh. So premium to premium gone. What is the face value you receive? 5 lakh. How much face value to pay? 10 lakh. How much shortage? 5 lakh. For that, you have to create the CRR with the help of general reserve or profit and loss account. As per the problem, you got only profit and loss account to the extent of how much money? 10 lakh. You can utilize the 5 lakh. Here, utilize the 5 lakh. Profit and loss account data to CRR account. Being the CRR is created to the extent of how much? 5 lakh. You require how much? 10 lakh. 5 lakh from the issue of share. 5 lakh from the profit and loss account. You created. Now you pay the money. Redeemable preference share capital account data 10 lakh. Redeemable preference share premium account data 50,000. To redeemable preference shareholder account 10 lakh, 50,000 is payable. That can be paid. So when you pay, bank account is credited. When you receive, bank account is debited. Redeemable preference shareholder account data 10 lakh 50,000. To bank account 10 lakh 50,000 paid off. Each entry 2 months. So the major question here is whether you have issued the share or create the CRR. Whether you have issued the share or create the CRR. As per the problem, we have issued the share. For the balance, you have created the CRR. You got, if you see the board now, you can understand. Here, first you have to pay 10,000 into 10 lakh face value to pay. Premium is payable 50,000. By issuing the share, you got 1 lakh premium. Out of 1 lakh, you can pay the 50,000. What's your face value left over? 10 lakh. By issuing the share, you already got 5 lakh. How much shortage is there? Another 5 lakh there. For that, you have to create the CRR with the help of profit and loss account entry, profit and loss account data to CRR account. Once you create, pay them redeemable preference share capital account data, premium account data to holder account data to bank account. So all the 3 problems are very easy here. First, here issued at par, redeemable at par, bank account data to debenture account data to bank account. Issued at a premium, paid at par, bank account data to debenture account, to debenture premium account data to bank account. Then issued at a discount, bank account data, discount account data to debenture account, paid at par, debenture account data to bank account. Last one, issued at a discount, redeemable at premium. You are suffered a loss of 1,20,000. Bank account data 7,60,000. Loss on issue of debenture account data 1,20,000. To debenture 8 lakh. To debenture premium 80,000. If you see here, 40,000 is discount, 80,000 is a premium. Totally, you suffered a loss of 1,20,000. Last entry, debenture account data to debenture premium account to the extent of 8,80,000. I think last entry here, you taken at a par, redeemable at par. How much money you have taken? 9 lakh. How much you are going to pay? 9 lakh, 90,000. How much loss you suffered? 90,000. Bank account data 9 lakh. Loss on issue of debenture account 90,000. To debenture 9 lakh. To debenture premium 90,000. Paid at a premium. 9% debenture account data 9 lakh. Debenture premium 90,000. To bank account 9 lakh 90,000. So regarding the preference shares are considered, regarding the bonus share is considered, bonus share should be declared out of the general reserve or profit and loss account. What's the entry? General reserve account data to bonus to shareholder account, share final call account data to share capital account, bonus to shareholder account data to share final call account. If they create the bonus with the help of CRR, security premium account data, CRR account data to bonus to shareholder account data to equity share capital account. Regarding the redemption of preference share, the most important point here, we have to face 10,000, 50,000, whether we have issued the share or created the share. If you see that we have issued the share, how many shares were issued? 5,000 at rupees 120 means, so we are receiving 6 lakh. 5 lakh is the face value, 1 lakh is the premium. If you see that 5 lakh is face, 1 lakh. Actually, you have to pay 10 lakh. How much already received? 5 lakh. How much shortage is there? 1 lakh. You create another 5 lakh with the help of the profit and loss account. Premium to premium go. So 5 lakh from the equity, 5 lakh from the profit and loss account. Totally work out 10 lakh. Transfer to holder account. Redeemable preference share capital account data. Premium account data to holder account. Payback preference holder. 10 lakh 50,000 to bank account. So all the three are very, very easy. Definitely it will come from the examination point of view. So we solved, one is the bonus share, one is the redemption of debenture, one is the redemption of preference share. All the three has been solved. Each has got 10 marks. All will come from the examination. Very good. In the examination, all the three will come. We'll ask 5 questions, 2 theory questions, 3 practical. All the 3 practical question has been solved in the session 2. In the session 1, we solved 15 marks, all the 3 questions. Hope best of luck in the examination, and I try my best to solve all the 3 questions. Hope best of luck in the coming examination. Hope we'll do well. Best of luck once again.